Okay, this is the third time I've recorded this, but this time it's going to be the right one. This is Chris, the tiny house guy, showing you the progress on my truck my truck camper build. You can see we have all the sheeting on. We've got body filler, whatever you want to call it, applied so that the gaps in the plywood are not so noticeable. You don't have to worry too much about getting it perfect, but you do want to have it reasonably smooth because you don't want anything to show through the bed liner. The bed liner goes on thick, but it's not so thick that things aren't going to show through. So trying to get it smooth. So on the inside here, like what I talked a little bit last week about the structure of this. So you can see these are the cantilever sections for the bed. This is the main structure that holds it together. There's three of these pieces that are actually assembled as a single unit. Then they're sort of put together with threaded rods and sort of go from one end to the other. So there's one up there, there's one up here at the top, and they go all the way through up to the front. And basically it lets you put together a really, really strong frame. All the loads from any one corner get applied to the entire piece. It's kind of nice. Let's see, the camper weight is, as of today, I think it was 200 and, so what I do is I actually put those 4 bathroom scales, one under each corner, and I'm at 294 pounds right now. So it's not terrible. It's a little heavier than maybe what I want, but I think I'll probably just use lighter materials for the inside. I'm fairly certain I'm going to have, so the air conditioner and the battery unit are going to go right there. It's at least another 100 pounds. So you're looking at 395 pounds. So I'm gonna have a hard time hitting the 500 pound goal, but certainly it'll be 600 for sure, less than 600, but yeah. So let's see what else. Got the weight, showed you the Bondo. I think next week it's gonna be 70 degrees. We are definitely going to be doing the bed lining so that, and get it dried, get it all sealed in for the winter. I won't have to worry about putting a tarp on it. I'll just have it covered, have a truck bed liner on it. So anyway, that's about it. I get some drone footage. I've been flying in and out of the thing. I'll post that after this, or just right after this, me talking here. And that'll be it for the week. So hey, thanks for watching. Have a good week. Okay, addendum number 1 to my weekly video. Something I wanted to show you that I forgot to show you. So this right here, kind of an unusual configuration. So this is the cantilever piece for the bed, and I've got a gusset here to give it a little bit of strength. And then this is the this is the upright. However, this space in here is actually kind of large and unused. So, and I've got 4 of them. How about that? So those are actually going to be storage. I'm going to sort of put some kind of a cover over this that will flip up, and there will be basically 4 drawers to store whatever, clothing probably, or small goods. So just if you're building yours, be thinking about that. There's actually another cool spot that you can do that with in here, I suppose. Probably I won't, but just there are some cool things you can do with hidden space like that to it's basically going to go to waste if you don't use it, so you might as well, make these gussets just a little bit bigger than you might otherwise and go ahead and use it. So anyway.